In this video, I'll show you how to build a local lead machine with GoHighLevel so you can generate clients on autopilot for any local business. Step 1. Pick your niche. Realtors, dentists, gyms, and restaurants all need leads. Choose one industry and build your funnel around their needs. Step 2. Build your funnel. In GoHighLevel, create a landing page with an irresistible offer, like a free consultation trial or discount. Add a form to capture names, emails, and phone numbers. Step 3. Automate follow-ups. Set up emails and SMS sequences that thank leads, send reminders, and drive them to book an appointment or visit the business. Step 4. Add missed call text back. When someone calls and no one answers, GoHighLevel automatically sends a text, keeping every lead warm. Step 5. Track leads in the CRM. Use pipelines to organize leads into stages, new, booked, and closed, so the business owner always knows what's happening. Step 6. Prove ROI. Show local businesses how many calls, leads, and appointments your system generates. That's what makes them stay and pay every month. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.